Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Dwi Desmayanasari. I'm from Universitas Muhammadiyah Lampung. Welcome to the 6th Profunedu International Conference. Today, I would like to present you about our article that is a mathematical creative thinking ability instrument. Creative thinking is a process someone to find new relationship or see things from a different point of view. Mathematics is not only about number or calculation. Moreover, mathematics develops students to think logically, rationally, carefully, effectively, and efficiently. The development of mathematical creative thinking needs to be improved. So, students have high competitiveness in creating new ideas for the advancement of the nation. Developing a valid and reliable mathematical creative thinking ability instrument is needed to improve student competence. This study describes the theoretical preparation of mathematical creative thinking ability instrument and analysis of the test results. Research method. Subject in this study, about 33 students of class 9A who had studied polyhedron geometry. They analyzed to see the validity, reliability, discrimination, and difficulty level of the test. Content validity was assessed by 4 expert lecturers and a mathematics teacher to assess the suitability of the material to be tested with the indicator of student mathematical creative thinking abilities. Quiz validity. The readability test was carried out on students who had obtained polyhedron geometry. Quiz validity sees the legibility of the question so that the questions are arranged clearly and easily understood, so that there is no misinterpretation. Validity result, validity test result from the table 1. Table 1 show the correlation value for the 6 item test on 33 grade 9 students. Then the t-value indices each item, the t-value each item was compared to the t-critical. Based on the table, it can be seen that for each t-value more than t-critical equals 2.042. It can be concluded that the correlation for each item is significant, so every item is valid. Table 2, the classification of the correlation coefficient between the test result and student report card is high, that is 0.75, where the t-value equal to 6.36 more than t-critical equal to 2.042. So it can be concluded that the correlation for the question as a whole is significant. So the interpretation is valid. Result validity test. Based on table 3, it can be seen that of the 6 critical thinking skill tests, there is 1 question with medium classification and 5 questions with good classification. Based on table 4, test difficulty index, it can be seen that the question consists of 3 questions with hard classification and 3 questions with medium classification. For the purpose of this study, the 6 questions that were tested, only 4 questions were used. Question number 1, 2, 3, and 4. The selection of the 4 questions was based on the validity index, difficulty index, and discrimination power of each question, and also based on consideration of the mathematics learning expert and indicator of mathematical creative thinking ability. The 4 questions include indicator of mathematical creative thinking ability, that is fluency, flexibility, originality, and elaboration. This is the test mathematical creative thinking. Figure 1, that is problem aspect of fluency. Figure 1 measures the fluency aspect of student mathematical creative thinking ability. Students are expected to find the solution to the problem with several answers and various methods. In figure number 2, a problem aspect of flexibility. Students need to determine the volume of a combination of several cubes, pyramid, or cuboid according to the picture provided. This problem trains students to be flexible in solving problems in various ways. In figure 3, problem aspect of originality. Figure 3 measures originality aspect of mathematical creative thinking. Students are expected to be able to produce answers that are unique and different from the other, design a sketch of a unique spatial shape, and combine the sketch with the provided flat shape. And then the last figure 1, problem aspect of elaboration. Students are expected to be able to detail a CubeNet and provide information on the corner point of the CubeNet that are formed. Conclusion. The result of the instrument test showed that the instrument for assessing mathematical creative thinking ability was appropriate to be used to assess student mathematical creative thinking ability on polyhedron geometry with several revisions. Researchers who are interested in using mathematical creative thinking instrument can use them by adopting and modifying the instrument. Okay, I think this is all I can say. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.